What's up guys, so it's time to check the new Honor 9X Pro, which comes with a tons of new features. When compared to its predecessor, the phone comes with a new Kirin 810 processor, which is really great. So without wasting any time, let's move to its specifications. So when it comes to the display, the Honor 9X Pro offers a massive 6.59-inch screen, which is an IPS LCD panel. The resolution here is Full HD+, which is quite decent. It features a glass and metal combination chassis, and it weighs around 205 grams. Flipping the phone, here's a glass layer. There are gradient variants also, but this version has a simple silver color. The device sports a triple rear camera setup, including a main 48-megapixel lens, an 8-megapixel super-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel sensor for adding depth effects. The device is quite slim, and thus providing a better grip. The phone comes with a headphone jack, as well as speaker grills at the bottom. SIM tray as well as the pop-up camera slots are at the top of the device. Surprisingly, the phone comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which I personally feel a pretty good place for the scanner. The scanner works almost every time, and it is quite fast as well. When it comes to the performance department, the 9X Pro just rocks here. It has a 7nm Kirin 810 processor under the hood, which is undoubtedly the best chip under its price category. The processor is paired with 8GB of whopping RAM, as well as up to 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage. The phone comes with GPU Turbo 3.0, so just max the settings in your game, and let the phone to handle it. The phone is suitable for playing battle royale games like this one, the most popular, PlayerUnknown's Battleground. So in terms of gaming, this phone is the best choice. Also, its price is really aggressive, and it may force you to buy this instead of the K20 Pro. So make sure to check the description. Let me know what you think of this phone in comments. When it comes to the camera, this phone is not a bad choice. So it's time to check how it stands against the Redmi K20 Pro, which is around $50 expensive from this. So here are some of the comparisons. The phone also gets a 4000 mAh battery, which is perfect. So this is it. What you think of this device, let us know in comment. Thanks for watching, get subscribed to our channel for future updates, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.